In this video, I'm going to review FunnelMail Suite for you. Let's get into it right now. Hey, what's up with you guys? This is Irfan here and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you that what FunnelMail Suite is and how you can benefit a lot from this software. So don't forget to stick with me until the end of this video because you're going to get some cool bonuses from me as well as vendor. So it's going to be so cool, guys, because it's going to blow your mind that how many bonuses the vendor is going to give you after purchasing this product. The link is exactly down below in the description. It's going to be the first link. And after that, you get access to this page right here with all the description and all the bonuses that I'm giving you. So I'm going to dive into my bonuses, and also I'm inside the members area. As you can see, this is the members area. I'm going to show you everything. I'm going to break down every single aspect of this software. So you're going to get to know this software much better. So let's get started with the bonuses that I'm giving you right now, plus the vendors bonuses. So the first bonus, so before anything, so FunnelMail Suite in a nutshell is a funnel builder. So it's a funnel builder. It allows you to create, high converting funnels, and you can drive traffic to those funnels. And after that, you can convert them to a customer, because after they put in their email address and their name, their information, everything, they're gonna get redirected to the thank you page. And on that thank you page, there are some structured and customized system that actually triggers your customers to buy more. So I'm going to show you what I mean. It's going to be so different from the other funnel builders that you're aware of, and it's going to be even more affordable. There's no monthly fee, there's no such a thing. There's only a one-time payment for that, and then it's over. So don't worry about that, costly funnel builders that you're spending money on every single month. This is not going to be one of them. So the first bonus is funnel optimization that I'm giving you. So as the name implies, it's all about funnel optimization. If you want to convert more leads to customers, this is the bonus that you're going to need. And if you want to get access to these bonuses, you can click on any of these yellow buttons here on my bonus page. And after that, you get access to the sales page that looks like this. So it looks like this. This is a sales page. I'm going to get into the sales page as well, but later on. But this is how it looks like. If you're interested in those bonuses, feel free to do that. So this is the first bonus I'm giving you guys. It's totally relevant to FunnelMail Suite. It's going to be funnel optimization hack. The second bonus is Newbie Traffic Academy. Again, it's all about traffic, driving traffic to your funnels, to your website, to your offers. Everything is pretty much mentioned and covered inside the second bonus. As you can see, it's a high quality tutorial. The third bonus is Top Traffic Secrets, which is again related to the second bonus, but it's more advanced. So everything you need to know in order to generate traffic to your website, funnel, etc. As you can see, this one is also a high quality tutorial that you might be interested in getting. So this is the third bonus, and the fourth bonus is called Web Traffic Master, which is exclusive tip you need to know in order to generate traffic. So again, all of them are about traffic, guys, because this is all you need to do, all you need to know in order to have a profitable campaign, such as funnel optimization and traffic generation. These two important fundamentals are kind of really necessary to your business. So that's why I decided to get around these bonuses for this software. So these are the four bonuses you're going to get from me, and the fifth bonus is going to be accessing to all vendor bonuses that I'm going to show you how many bonuses you're going to get from the vendor. So the bonuses you're going to get from the vendor, guys, we have if I scroll down to the bottom of the page, you see 40 bonuses from vendor. There are 40 bonuses only from vendor and 4 bonuses from me, so 44 bonuses in total. And the bonuses like 10K case study, commission blueprints, list building on steroids, Bing Ads mastery training. So this is my favorite one. It's going to be helpful, guys. If you want to do affiliate marketing, Bing Ads are always number one. So 0-hour work days, $2,000 in 20 minutes with Facebook, and the list goes on and on. So there are 40 bonuses that you can definitely go for after purchasing the product. I'm going to actually break down the costs as well. You don't have to go for the whole funnel. It's for your benefit, but you're gonna get access to these bonuses by just purchasing the front end. So without any further ado, let's get into the main software. So as you can see, there are some items on the left side. So this is a demo account, guys. We have the dashboard funnels, so which is the main thing, elite funnels, newsletter, tutorials, done for you, and the list goes on again. Limitless sequence, limitless traffic. So we're gonna start with funnels, guys. If I click on funnels, I have manage your funnels, I have create new, and I have my leads. So we're gonna create a new funnel for this tutorial. As you can see, there are two pre-built funnels. They are the most converted funnels ever. They are tested and proven, so you can actually easily go for them without any modification. So I'm going to use this one, the green one, and after I choose it, I actually put a funnel name. It can be Irfan Test, and then the offer URL is very important. So after your lead clicks on this green button here, they're going to get redirected to the page that you are specifying. So in this case, I can actually go for my bonus page, for example. So I'm going to copy this URL here, and then I go back and I paste it here. So as an example, so for this one, we can actually do how many subscribers before a referral can change your affiliate link, like let's say 1, and then my name is Irfan right here, and your photo URL, you can actually add a photo URL, or you can use one of these stock images here. So I'm going to use this guy right here. So it's going to add the image automatically for me, and push notification is a cool thing, guys. So if you don't want to spend money on Autoresponder, push notification can be a really good alternative to actually attract more leads and convert more leads to customers. So this is what it does. You know what it is. So when you go to a website, there's going to be a push notification exactly on the top sidebar. And then, you know, they tell you different things. It's a call to action thing. So if you don't want to spend money on autoresponders, this is a really good option to go for. But there are so many options if you want to integrate this software with your external autoresponders, such as Aweber, Campaign Monitor, GetResponse, iContact, MadMimi, and MailChimp. I never heard of this one, but you know, the good ones are already listed here. So let's say for MailChimp, I personally use MailChimp. If I click on it, so they're gonna ask you some questions about the API, and then you are done. So after you've done everything, guys, click on save and publish on the right side. So, and then you see that all the funnels that we've made are gonna be right here. So this is my funnel, Irfan Test, and if I click on view, I can actually check it out, that how it looks like. You see, everything is well designed and structured, and I personally like it. And it says that make money like you mean it. Now you can get $2,000 a month from your laptop. So, and if someone actually put in their email address right here, they're gonna actually get access to your bonus page. So I'm gonna put the email address here. So this is my secondary email address, and then I click here for free, and see that they are gonna get redirected to my bonus page, which I specified at the beginning. So, and after that, they're gonna see this thank you page. So first they're gonna get redirected to this one right here, but they also gonna see the thank you page after they put in their email address. And this is what I meant, guys. On this page, you see that we have this one right here, which is their gift. So they can click on this one, log in to access your website, and after they log into their website, they're going to see even more features. They're going to get a software for 100% free of charge. See, so for example, if I click on this, you see that they're going to get access to Beast funnels for free, because they are provided with the username and the password. So it's gonna be 100% free of charge for them. So it's very, very cool, guys, because that software, I remember that I reviewed that software a couple of months ago, and it cost $20. So they're gonna get it for 100% free of charge. Or the second option would be collect a free gift to your messenger. So they're gonna get connected to the messenger, to the vendor's messenger, I believe, and then the vendor is gonna give them more bonuses. So see that there are so many bonuses on thank you page only. So, you know, and they're gonna get 40 bonuses in the members area. So it's just bonus over bonus. So this is how it works, guys. This is how you structure it. If you want to design anything, feel free to do that. You can copy the URL and share it, and you can drive traffic to it. And you know, on my bonuses, I mentioned everything. I covered everything about driving traffic to your offers. Feel free to use my bonuses for driving traffic to these offers. If you want to edit anything, just click on this one. So this is how the funnels work. I created a new funnel from scratch for you. We have newsletters. In this section we have autoresponders. So autoresponders, as you know, it's just a autoresponder that you can create a campaign and send out bulk emails to your subscribers. So since it's a demo account, I can't really specify the subscribers, but you know how it works. You just put your name here, your email subject, and enter day. It can be day, I mean, it can be whatever. It's just it's just for your purpose. So email subject, name, and then we have the context here, and after that we can click on save. So it's gonna send out this email to the subscribers, and this is how the autoresponder works. You're not gonna spend more money on this autoresponder. Everything is inside this software, and that's a really good advantage of that. So you save more money on this one. Plus the worth of bonuses are more than $2,400. So this is how you save money. So this is it for newsletter. For autoresponder, we have broadcast. This is for this for the bulk emails, not the autoresponder. Autoresponder is for specific subscribers. If they opt into your landing page, if they actually put in their email there, they're gonna get added to the autoresponder. But broadcast is for bulk emails that you send out to everyone at the same time. So we have the list here, list of subscribers. As you can see, all of them are listed here. You can also add a list manually, and we have tutorials. I highly recommend to go through the walkthrough tutorial. There's a video here, the second video, third video, fourth, and there are 5 videos so far, and you see that the more is coming soon. So go through the videos, guys, and get the hang of it, to see how this software works. We have the done for you section, done for you walkthrough. I don't know what it is. Oh, this is part of the tutorial. We have limitless sequence. So if I click on it, I think it's part of the upgrades. Yeah, it's not working because it's part of the upgrades. I haven't upgraded yet, but this is the whole actually dashboard, the entire dashboard, everything that you can see on the left side. So the main purpose of this software is building a high converting landing page and saving a ton of money on the landing pages that you're using right now. So it's definitely not like like ClickFunnels or Fry themes, but if you want to get us started, it's a really good way to get us started with, because you know, everything is simple, everything is already done for you. You don't have to do anything extra, and that's a good advantage of this one. So let's get into the price of this, guys. Everything that I mentioned right now is gonna cost you only $16.93 on a dime sale. So $16.93, that's it. No monthly fee. You're gonna get everything that I talked about right now in one place, in one software. So there's gonna be the first upgrade. There are 5 upgrades that there are optional, you can go for if you want, but keep in mind that if you want to get access to all these 44 bonuses, if you just go for the front end, you will be able to get access to them. You don't have to go for the whole funnel, but it's for your benefit. So the first upgrade is Elite Edition. The second one is done for you. So they're going to do even more landing pages. They're going to create more landing pages for you. Upgrade number 3, Limitless Profit Sequence, the one that I tried to get in, but I couldn't. And number 4, Limitless Traffic. And the last one is license rights to everything. That's a really cool one, because if you want to keep this software as your own, if you want to sell it yourself, if you want to do whatever you want, you need to go for the 5th upgrade, which is license rights to everything. If you buy that, feel free to do whatever you want with this software. You can sell it out if you want and keep 100% profit. And here's are some key benefits that I decided to share with you guys. Feel free to go through everything. So there are more than 7 benefits that you get from the software. I actually listed everything here for you, and you know how to get access to the bonuses, guys, by clicking on any of these yellow buttons here. You can find the link exactly below in the description. It's going to be the first link you see, and after that you will get into the sales page. So this is a sales page. If you click on it, so they also listed some benefits on the right side. As you can see, there is a video, and then they compared FunnelMail with Aweber and ClickFunnels. You see, this is $97 a month, but FunnelMail, there's no monthly fee for that. As I said, it's only $17 and you're good to go. And that's it. That's how it works. I don't want to spend too much time on the details. Feel free to do that yourself, guys. It's gonna be super more beneficial because you can spend more time on it. But I just want to show you how it looks like. If you scroll down, you see some more benefits, some proofs that how this software works. Again, if I scroll down even more, you see that there's a countdown timer, and this is the dashboard of the vendor. $9 million in revenue, which is mind-blowing. And the thing is that it's only in Warrior Plus. $10 million only on Warrior Plus. I don't know which other platforms they are, doing any activity in, but $10 million was only on Warrior Plus. And the rest of the thing, just feel free to do that yourself, guys. I'm gonna leave it to you, but I would like to let you know that most of these bonuses are time sensitive, guys. As you can see, if this countdown timer hits 0, unfortunately you're gonna miss out on those bonuses. I don't want that happen to you. So you can actually secure all the bonuses by clicking on the link below in the description, and that's how it works. I covered everything for you, the members area, how we can create a funnel, how we can use the autoresponder, what kind of bonuses you get from me, as well as the vendor, and everything is kind of mentioned inside this video. But if you have any question, please feel free to ask your questions by dropping your comments below this video, or you can personally reach out to me. So thanks for watching my FunnelMail Suite. I hope that you like it. If you like it, please tap the like button, and see you in the next video.